what make a product probably more so investable for me is the fact that if you're able to quickly and concisely in three separate phrases explain to me what your product does. If you talk to me about zero trust, if you go, and again, I've got great friends that work at Zscaler. If like you tell me ask me what Zscaler does, it does three things really well. It does content filtering, malware defense, and DLP. Bam, done. 15 seconds. This is what we do. This is how we do it. Is this interesting to you? Yes or no? If it is, if content filtering, malware defense, and DLP is important to you, okay, great. Then that's maybe the solution for you. If not, then maybe you should look at something different. But it's being able to it's being able to accurately and concisely communicate to what you do in 15 seconds or less, or maybe a minute at most. But 15 seconds, 30 seconds is about someone's attention span. And at that point in time, you can grab someone's attention and then really fundamentally shift the conversation. Because all you're trying to do is look for little buy-ins. Hey, Josh, can I have 5 minutes of your time? Hey, Charles, yeah, sure, no problem. What's going on? Hey, have you heard of this product? This is what it does. It does malware defense, content filtering, and DLP. Is that something that you guys think you might be able to use at your organization? Yes or no? Okay, if you say yes, that means you've already given me permission to use your time for the first 5 minutes. So that's your first buy-in. Now you've given me the opportunity to talk to you about what we do for those three things. Is that important to you? If you give me a second buy-in, the probability of you buying on the third time is pretty high. So if I show you a demo, I show you what everything's doing, and assuming that all of your finances and your budget line up, you're going to become a customer. It's just that simple.